Hello, gonna show you a project that I did called Earth VR. Right now, this is the page that's running. I'm using Node Live Server to um, host this page or run it through the local server. Essentially, what it is a bunch of 360-degree images that I took from Google Earth that are viewable in the web browser of a lot of different awesome places. Um, and they're able to be viewed with VR, any type of VR headset that you have, if it's Cardboard, Vive, HTC, Oculus, whatever. You can just click this little web VR plugin and it takes you inside of the image. It's really cool. I hope to use it to demo some projects that I'm doing in Unity. The same type of thing I want to have with projects that I've created. Um, so I can export projects from Unity into A-Frame and then put them in the browser so that they are available for everyone to see. I'm also going to use this at one of the workshops that I'm hosting for seniors in technology, just to show them, a brief demo into like some of the cool stuff VR can do. A lot of these people haven't seen it. But anyways, how I made it, I began with getting the images from a tool called iStreetView, iStreetView.com. You can pretty much take any place in Google Earth and take a 360 degree, or Google Street View, and take a 360-degree video of it. So that's how I got all the images. After I did that, I went into Atom. As you can see, I have all the images here, um, and made each page, put each image into a page, into an a scene, and then a sky tag is where I put the image so that it would um, populate the entire sky. So you look around and that is um, 360 degrees of the image. Put some text to let people know where they are. I had to do this with every single page, every single image. And then I have an index page, which is what you just saw, that links to all of those individual HTML pages with the 360-degree videos, and I used an iframe tag to embed those pages within the home page so that you can still access them from there. Um, yeah, that's what I did. What I learned was like how to link projects that you make in A-Frame into the web browser, and what that is going to allow me to do in the future, like I said, is export Unity projects that I'm making. So not just 360-degree videos, but whole other worlds that you can then access through the browser and VR. So it's available to everyone. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.